Hello, and welcome to another Telekinesis tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about the Telekinesis Block. What is the Telekinesis Block? It's very similar to the writer's block, if you heard of what that is. It pretty much means that you are able to do certain things, in our case telekinesis, but for some reason, we don't know why yet, we just can't do it. Like, for example, I've been doing telekinesis for over 10 years, and then at some point, eventually, I tried to do telekinesis, but it just won't work. And I don't know why, and this is what this video is about. And so for me, for example, when I have this pen here, I usually do telekinesis very easily, like this. And then one day I'm just not able to do that. And then I'm sitting there and try to figure out why, what happened, why can't I do it anymore? And there's so many reasons why that can happen. For example, you are very stressed. When you are very stressed at work, or because of your girlfriend or your boyfriend or something like that, it might give you a telekinesis block. It might take the abilities from you, and the reason why is because your mind is not in a balance anymore. And it's all about balance. This is why we meditate for hours and weeks and years. This is why we practice the breathing so much, to stay in a balance, mental balance. And when we're stressed, our hormones and all the stuff what's going on in our brain gets out of balance, and that takes the ability from us. And what else? If we are on a very unhealthy diet, I've met a few people who were not able to do telekinesis. They did everything I told them, everything I was teaching, they did everything right, but they were very obese, and they were eating unhealthy, eating fast food, all this stuff. But eventually they started to work on their diet, and they started to work on their bodies, and they became healthier. And eventually, and they didn't do anything differently than before, but telekinesis started working. So what I'm saying is, if you have an unhealthy body, you also will have an unhealthy mind. So make sure to have a very healthy diet. Don't be obese, don't be too skinny, do exercise, do all those things to be healthy, because only then you can be able to do telekinesis. What else can give you a telekinesis block? So pretty much everything, like even unhappiness, like depression, for example. Like, let's say you wake up in the morning and everything is fine. You're doing well at school, your family is healthy, your girlfriend is fine, everything is fine, but you wake up and you just don't feel good for no reason. And that mostly is depression. And depression is also a result of stress, and stress results of depression, and this is something you definitely should work on. And I can't tell you how. This is something you have to figure out yourself, but there's always help. You can always ask for help if you have a depression, or if you're not sure if you have a depression, you can't figure that out, and you should figure that out. Before even thinking about telekinesis, work on your mental health, because only then you will be able to do telekinesis. So we talked about a few things, but in the end it really comes down to health. You have to be healthy, otherwise telekinesis won't work. And if you remember the video about 5 steps of telekinesis, those 5 steps were be kind, and be grateful, and keep your space clean, and all those things. And it's very important to have a organized life, because if you always have to think in the back of your head about all those things you have to do, you will not be able to do telekinesis, okay? You can practice as much as you want, you can do everything correct. If you don't do those things, and you should look up this video because it's very important, but if you don't do all those things, telekinesis just won't work. And this is why we're here, to learn telekinesis together. And I'm a strong believer that everybody, no exceptions, is able to do telekinesis. You just have to do the right things for that, and don't put yourself under pressure. If you're like in front of your object for 30 minutes, for an hour, and nothing is happening, this is normal, okay? This is normal. Like for me, telekinesis, in the beginning, I had no control over it. Sometimes it just happened for no reason. I've heard stories like somebody tried to move something, and then the mom came in. So somebody said it in the comments, and the mom came in and was shocked because the bottle behind him was flying, and so he also had no control over it. But it doesn't mean that something is not happening, that it's not happening inside of you, okay? Yeah, I think that's it for this video. So make sure that you're healthy, make sure to have no stress, no depression, be healthy and work on your body and on your diets. Make sure that you're having a very healthy life, and then, only then, you will be able to do telekinesis. Good luck. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I'm here to help you, and have a good day.